interior Liverpool used to know. One was Obiabre. There hasn't been a single bad one.
Liverpool
interiors midfield 8, number 8 for no use there hasn't been a single bad one.
It's your mom.
Use now say the problem for Liverpool's interior no on better say number 8 no the availability. Problem no and yet say nipa no be assistant team kokuya mu wana Oxley Chamberlain call Liverpool one we more elevating no do
yes
and okunya asa ni injury no
and they destroy bibia
and they kun bibia. Navigator was exceptional for them whenever he was available. Thiago Grade and Campo last season last 2 seasons completed 4 trophies no. Look, that was 10 because those two were available more times and they are good athletes. Oh no. Breno Bre. So I mean, how are they going to surface with injuries and all those things? I think that's what we should be worried about. For Liverpool by the M say it's only fair. So now listen very well. The arts. It's a significant storytelling activity. Ekayen dada sitina yembra ene yeni pesua yeye ehwasem. Yen call Liverpool training ground or pre-season na muntie nwom no na ya munimu, but I think I hear a voice like Kelvin Boyce. Na no mete ha na aminu shado te ha. Na aminu shado asema o kan say we sharp panyin bia o professor waka chen say abibire ma ankasa na o say ye fa enwom to arts and sports more serious. If you say bibia anywhere ede eko echi esen arts and sports no. Liverpool pre-season no kwaku England northwest. Yeah. But the one friend Afrobeat yeah. And no more ball no. But Kevin Boy there one of come meet in office one thing meet voice na
down flat. Title
down flat. We need to be very calculated. Se Ghana ni akura bi wo so Virgil van Dijk we say no onam the pie muso na mo ton ye arts and culture no it's deliberate or how very musician no and obitima musician obitima nyana na kase me na me bo nwumo ya na mutie no be say me how much they would invite, they would connect and areas in baby adru no nya unyansa nkwa na do be kwanimu network na do be
we don't cry what trima dwensi asembi so all the banner boy a big Africa
very big. Very big. I mean
now virus we don't pay IAS 4G League B David Ness and Anthony Ninyum we on the low or on pay video
on the low
who's as I last time or Champions League winner na Henry Muyeti virus or a co-winner na pay on the low IAS G League in Anthony ni winner there watch my baby ama ezeno baby every job ni nyina di dim na nua konya Champions League final
we da CP my friend of Global Village no SOMPA so ba kwa yen betimi anya ene ne ekoso anopai so utie nie kaka wani etewa so din a emsa de ba kwa wo se ojutum ne se ene no ne betimi de oman na ko ba bi no sa no ma we
wow
so the arts and sports are there as a mind we must have a deliberate plan.
SOMPA Sports.
What I say? So plan ankasa is saying Ghana for no nyum ne wom say omo ya ankran there but animonyam sha global recognition through arts ebetimi de ahye my Ghana no kwaku enye ade a obetimi et said the Ghana anthem World Cup and as Olympic Games no ukotu eskama big media organizations so person ye PR on be juska nanso ye o man ya omutimi fa sa ade easily neko
yes
ntimi anopai ene nra anajo mehwedi na mitie na anwumi a na kwakuma ye ball kai mu
down flat
eno na etwagu wa hai northwest of England
twaguza
so obe Argentina ni na dawa obo ni trinko no so tede so on tede
yo o da me say ase wilade aba kokugusu ye adwuma na ba odo be hu dey no mo giri say no mu si dey sa anyo ne sa David Ness na Anthony de obo ka no enye no abaro mo didi asa
me da CP so
SOMPA Sports
Serbia omo under 20 team bia ebeje world under 20 championship no I think it was in 2015
yes
ana 2017 mu ba ko mo pema me 2015 na omoje sa trophy no mo share Brazil 1-0 in the final na Sergej Milinkovic Savic eka ho no more boy be na me friend militant a friend Gacinovic no so ka sa team no Andrea Zivkovic they all call Liverpool ya they call FC Porto Marco Grujic omo nyina aka ho begogu de na yenim ni say 2 years earlier and 2 years earlier no magic European under 19 no into Ombeji World under 20 no anyi nipa bebre nwanwa because they had seen them at the European under 19 championship. One of the key names in that team was Sergej Milinkovic Savic. SMS. Ofini krum team na nka mono kotoko be board no so mbeka ya mu dia Vojvodina.
Yeah, Vojvodina.
Vojvodina no free he call Genk. From Genk and all call Lazio. Until he's been at Lazio since 2015 playing 267 games in all. Or 2 Supercoppa Italia and all 1 Coppa Italia. And then Renaso at 28. This is a significant push to get a player who is now in the peak years of his football career to come and play his football in Saudi Arabia. And Al Hilal are bagging a gem. But personally, my selfish interest, no, I would have loved to see him at one of the elite European clubs because when he's at 8, SMS is one of the best interiors in the game. Oh no, he'll be called to be born box to box and so can. I mean, he is that kind of guy. Now, Richard said, "Ni ona no kunya no." And I said, "You, I mean, come as he said, na oyokuku kakra, Claudio Lotito no." Because I know I cried the can send me and some kind says it's can over 50 million on side document no. So, until I say okay, but then areas we in sanity. So you see Ryan Gravenbeck on Okra Bluetooth audio no, Bluetooth speaker no, Gravenbeck no. Na Okra Bluetooth speaker bi o chire wa deba Julian Timbani na Anthony Akomea aka Pokoli ono so ha and then David Neres. And you know on the low no cry them salaries no money.
Abunim ka on the
low. But see when a friend global attention.
Oh, okay.
What's it? Global attention. We DJ Sombeka ko hwenum we akobọ clubs in Amsterdam. And Crown Becca said, you better know more born almost work or hear on phone. So I bought a viewing on YouTube and all these music streaming applications. Mira, a hand was saying you're pushing you through. This is what we seek to do. And see, there's one gentleman, me who's on the football lesson and I'm one many can promise.
Yeah.
I see him get closer to them. Now say me money anyway now them. So look, Terminator in Anka or ball Memphis in the club and more ball PSG. I mean this is it. And the Calvin Boy in Indiana anyway, yeah, careful. A lot of no they are far gone. They are far gone.
Well, last time we was in NBA on championship on our playoff in the back on or we no more ball I black hole. Things are 45 no more ball. Then you're back hole.
So good power. Mum pushing mu be my because it's where the money is. I honest can and now 2 and among years wa unya endorsements from these people are and mom you do.
Yeah.
Tinebe stress ya dwom to phone mo na munni manwum ye they say nka oboba je adofo de an nka ba na de nka
mo ni ma shake mo na
ha ba mo na shake mo na ye adwuma ohun ti no Ghana for no I will you see you need some of these things and Jeff you see beside you na number BBC no
welcome man
yeah
no so yeah
about there
yeah so bisa
welcome
yes and then Asamajan so back and on with Castro.
So no so mo born BBC.
Na me kai say Osibisa leader no reference say po. Papa o ka your interview na me I say look anytime Mactonto said that better some boss argument no pay bia no asiri because on him say be reflect on account.
Your lanza no wedu pa o. Welcome no. So nya to was that bishop butia. You cry to be good.
What can you say be fan 1-1?
How there?
What can you crack fan 1-1 with your officer? Mo ba na atro. boy enyum no auntie ka welcome home na mzima welcome home no say
I already there
twem
ti a bishop ayi ase bibi kra ba be show mu ni ade
exactly
welcome home no e da form so ko pa
eno ho asema na pesa mo boy na ka kire mo the art is a significant art that needs to be exported. Abrofuni DS and they introduce their art to us. And no be a warrior person share coat, no share wedding gown.
Yeah.
Wow. So on an Kenya wedding gown. So we couldn't into my now we are a friend Yako Jawari and Nankaba. So no more Danny.